Hello student, today we are going to study about the Clipper circuit. Now for Clipper circuit, this is a circuit diagram. From here we are taking the V reference. I have applied plus 10 volt over here and it is going to divide it between 7.5, 5. Then from here if you tap it will give 2.5. This is where we are applying the input. Now suppose when the input, this is the input we are applying. Suppose this is your input. We are applying when the input is greater than 3 volt. This is where input is coming greater than 3 volt. At 3 volt I have applied, or you can say 2.5 volt I have given. Now if you give 2.5 volt and reference is 2.5 volt, because from here we can tap 2.5 volt, 5 and 7.5 reference. When the input is greater than 2.5 volt, suppose this is 2.5 volt, then what will be the output? 2.5 minus 4. Suppose minus 4 is the input which is applied. This is the input which is applied. Now when it is going to multiply by 10 to the power 5, it is going to give minus Vset. Means it is, you are going to get the Vx, the output over here, minus Vset. When you are going to get minus over here, means this will become short circuit, and what will be the output you will be getting here? What will be V0? V0 will be, what will be the V0? The virtual ground concept will be applied. 2.5 will be, because the circuit got completed, so that is why virtual ground will be applied. 2.5 will come here and this will come directly here. Means whatever the reference you have given here, same you are going to get. Means here you are going to get 2.5, a voltage which is greater than the V reference. And suppose now for the voltage which is lesser than for this region, for this region or this region, the voltage, what will be Vx? Vx will be, suppose 2.5 is the reference we have set, and if it less than, suppose this is 2 into 10 to the power 5, you are going to apply plus Vset. When Vx is plus Vset in this region, when Vs is plus Vset, then this is open circuit. Means circuit will be this one. This will become open circuit. When it will become open, whatever the input we have applied, same input we are going to get. Means the output will be same. Here whatever the input we are given, same output we are going to get for the value less than reference voltage. Means this type of output we are going to get. Means we have clamped our input at some V reference. This is called the clipper circuit. Now if you want a negative if you want to limit this clipping, if you want to clip this portion of the input, then what you will do, you will just change the reference and you will just change the circuit connection. Then you will get the negative clipping of the voltage. Now we will see the circuit. Now if you look at the circuit, now if you are looking at the circuit, see, this is I have taken 1 kilo ohm for 1 kilo ohm resistance, and from here, from positive supply only I am giving 10, and here if you see, this is the ground. Means the voltage is going to, this is I have made a potentiometer. Means voltage here, if you tap from here, you are going to get 2.5, from here 5, from here 7.5, and if you tap from here, you will get around 10 volt. Now from here I am doing, from this wire I will be tapping. Suppose I am tapping at this value and I am providing at this terminal 3. If you see, this is your terminal 3. If you look the circuit closely, then what we are going to see, suppose this is your circuit. Now if you want to study this circuit, this is your op-amp, this is the diode which is reverse diode which has been connected, and from here this wire has been feedback to terminal 2. This is your terminal 2. If you remove this one, you can see this wire is where feedback, and from here a resistance has been taken, and here with this wire, white wire, input has been applied, and here we are tapping to terminal 3 of V reference, and this V reference will be tapped from your potentiometer, and from here we are going to take the output. Now this has been tapped to around 2.5 and 3 volt. If you check at the output, suppose, then you will see the circuit. This is the circuit. This is your circuit. The output has been tapped from up. If you see this curve, this is where the portion has been clipped. Now if I change my V reference to ground 0 volt, then this has come to this one, means half of the circuit has been, half of the signal has been clipped. Now if I go to 5 volt, see it is showing 5.40 maximum. See here it has been clipped. See, this is the circuit where it has been clipped. Now simultaneously we are going to see how we are changing that reference point. This is the reference 1 2 3 4, means we have kept at 5, and here you are seeing the clipping at 5. This is clipping. Now I am changing to 2.5. now you will be changing the clipping at 2.5. see, maximum voltage you are going to get 3 volt, means around 2.5 only you are getting. Now if I am changing at in ground, means half of it will be clipped. Now see, here it is half of clipped. If you see the circuit, this is the half portion, if you, this is the clip. Now if you want to see the negative coupling and negative clipping of the circuit, now for that what you need to do, now for that what I am going to change the reference. This is where I am taking the wire and I will be providing negative reference. For that I will be needing a different wire, because I am supplying negative voltage over here. Now if I supply negative voltage, you can tap the negative voltage from here also, because it is same. I have tapped the negative voltage from here and I will be reversing the diode connection. Now if you look at the output, if you look, the upper portion is there and lower portion has been clipped. If you see the signal, the lower portion has been clipped. Now I will be changing the reference. This is your where I am changing the reference. I am making it negative minus 2.5. then if you see the output, now it has been clamped to negative portion. See, negative portion has been clipped, it has been, negative portion has been clipped. Now if I change again to reference negative 7.5, then you will see almost little value has been clipped, because the signal is not around this one. If you see, the clipping has been done. See, here clipping has been done. If you go over here, the clipping has been done, clipping of the circuit has been done. Now if you go to reference, the half value has been clipped, half of value has been clipped. So this was all about your clipping circuit with the help of op amp.